It takes a catalyst for change. Behind the scenes, catalysts are at the very heart of more than 80% of chemical products manufacture processes, and a #1 value generator for your business. That's why for 75 years as a leader in the chemicals industry, we at Evonik have provided you with the power of catalysts and adsorbents to save energy, reduce waste, cut costs, and develop cleaner, more sustainable solutions. How do we do that? We offer a unique, complete package. Whether you're looking for an off-the-shelf catalyst, to upgrade your current process, or develop one from scratch. Combining expert knowledge and creativity, we work for and with you to design solutions at every scale. And with sites around the world, we match your needs with a global perspective and regional expertise. So wherever you are in the world at whatever stage in your development, we are here as a partner to maximize the benefit for your business and the environment. Evonik Catalysts. Let's make a difference.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.